With eager anticipation, the pristine box containing the latest digital smart keypad is gently opened, revealing its sleek, contemporary design nestled inside. As polished as a luxury car finish, its whispering LED screen powers up smoothly, capturing attention immediately. The packaging includes a comprehensive manual, a robust set of installation tools, and a rechargeable battery pack, signifying effortless setup and sustainability. Navigating through its state-of-the-art security features, one can't help but be impressed by the biometric fingerprint recognition, ensuring unparalleled personal access. Returning to the keypad's user-friendly interface, one appreciates the assurance it brings, merging personal security with outstanding technological innovation.